Hello guys, today we are going to discuss on how to add a new attribute inside customer general data. So this requires some understanding and includes. So let's start this. So initially this attribute, if we extend, it will be in active area as well as staging area. So in MDG also we have to extend, and in active area also we are going to extend in KNA1 customer table. So in this, let's start from beginning. Let's assume our field name is routing strategy. If it is the field name, then what we can do? So I am just starting from database area. We can start from MDG as well. Anything is fine. Now I am starting from database area. So SC11 I am going to, and then database table KNA1. So if I go inside first, if when we are going to extend any data model, at first we have to check if it is having any custom include provided by SAP. So it custom include means we can identify that with CI. So here as we are seeing, there is no custom include. Let's check if anything starts with CI, the data element. So nothing is there. So that's why we have to find another alternative. So easiest alternative is this one. So here they are, SAP has already provided us extensibility include. So this is already there. So we can use this one, and inside this we can use append structure. So append structure means already existing structure we are going to extend it with a new structure. So we can add another set of fields here by using this option. So now I'm in this structure, so I'm clicking on append structure. Now I don't need this one. I want to create a new append structure, so I can click on this create append button. Now I can give a new name, z ap append underscore custom field. So I'm just giving like this and clicking on continue. So a new append structure has been created in that. So now I am giving short description, custom fields for C KNA1. So I am giving this, and here component name, component type I am giving as, so I am giving as same thing as component type. So anyway, this will not exist. I am going to create the new data type. So that is a data element I am going to create. Strategy, and then here, and I'm going to built-in type. So built-in type I am giving as char, and this one I am just giving as 20 characters length. So this can also we can use, and I'm just saving it as local object, and I will maintain field name as short description. So I am just copy pasting short one. That's it. Saving this, activating this. Now go back, activating this as well. But before activating this is a append structure. So structures every time before activating it, better to do this part. So go back. Now here, if we are seeing enhancement category, it can be enhanced character like or numeric, it is present. So same enhancement category we have to go forward, and here also we can give same enhancement category which is there for previous structure. So we are going to extras enhancement category, Now I am just going to enhancement, can be enhanced character like or numeric. I am just clicking this, saving this and activating this. Yeah, this may take some time to activate. So after that, so now this object has been activated. Now with the same component name, I have to go to uh, another another structure. So whatever append structure we have done, so go back and we can see this structure name include EWKNA1. So same one we have to go into SC11 in another session and we can open that structure, but we have to add underscore x this time. So now we can create another append structure here and new append structure, and this time the name is custom fields underscore x. This is the append structure name I am going to create. So this append structure is used when we are doing change scenario at database level. So whenever we are doing any attribute changes in a change scenario, in those cases this structure will tell the system that a particular variable has been changed and this has to be reflected in the database system. So here in short description, I can maintain custom fields in KNA1 for change pointers, for change scenarios. So here I am going to give same component name, but this time we have to give BAPI update as component type. So enter, save and activate. Again, this will take some time to activate. So we can go back and check this. So this has been updated. Now, so X structure and normal structure both got updated. So we can go to the actual part. So I am going to add attribute with the same name which is there in the table. So data element also we have to give same thing which we have created now. So for that, I am just going and copying the data element also and giving here. So it, we can go here in further characteristics, because we are in MDG, we have to give change document this particular checkbox as ticked. So save this and activate this. So at the same time, we can just maintain the description as routing strategy. So save this and then activate the data model. So go to inactivate data model and just sa save this and activate this. So beside this activation is going on, this change document enablement, and at the same time this is getting activated. So let's wait for some time. So this has been activated now. Now I'm just going back to another session, and this is in generating database structures. So just let's wait for this to complete. So now the data model has been activated. Now when we see this type of warning message, we have to adjust change request. That means after clicking this, we have to go to this and adjust staging area. So click on yes. Now this has been scheduled in this client. Now go back. Activation of data model. We have to go to generate data model specific structures and then click on this business partner and then go into the structures. So we have made changes to which entity. So we remember we have made changes to BP custom entity. So we can go inside this and then select all the entities related to this and then click on generate selected structures. Now after this structures will get generated. So these got activated. Now we can go back and open NWBC and check the CR. So we can click on organization and new customer. Now let's go let's go into ERP customers, click on new. Now right click in any of the UIBBs here. So here additional data is there or export data. So let's target on additional data. Let's add that attribute under attribute 10 here. So for to do that, let's go to technical help and then let's go to component configuration. So maximize the screen. So now go to other functions and click on create customizing. So let's create the new customizing for custom field edition. So I'm just clicking on OK. No transport request. I'm choosing now. Let's drag and drop the fields now. So go down. The new routing strategy we can see here at the bottom. So just drag this and drop below the attribute field. After doing that, it will automatically gets adjusted. Now just save this. Let's extend mappings now. So inside this, we have to go to customer central data to API, which we got from uh, which we got from this general data model specific structures. So if you go into this mapping, we can get the name of this API as SMT mapping, and then we can open same SMT mapping here and go to details. So inside this, you have to go to transformations. So here you can see only one field mapping is there. So click on this, go here and check our fields are there here or not. So we can see our field is there here, and then this side our field will be there at last. So this one and this one, so both are same. Go up and edit this and click on add button and give the package anything. In my case I am giving ZMDG. This is one custom package, and then field mapping. So now I am selecting this one, and right side I am selecting same one and clicking on map option. So now this has been created. Now I am just saving this. Click on OK. So we have to save this in a local request. So we have to go to C10 and create a local request, local workbench request. So click on this and mapping. So we can click on save. Now this has been created. Go double click this and go to properties. Now this target system, it is having some value by default. So remove this forcibly and click on save. Now this can be local change request. Now I can use same one in that place, because if it is having any target, it will not get saved here. So that is the reason. So I'm just going here. Now I'm trying to save. I'm pasting that and click on OK. So now this will get saved in the CR, in the TR. Now just go back. In the same way, go to X flag and click on details. Now here also go to transformations, click on add. Now package ZMDG, click on OK. Now click on field mapping. Now select both sides source and targets. So here let's go in between of this table. We got our custom one. On right side also go down, we got the custom one. Click on map. So this has been added. Now we can save this. Now it has been saved successfully. Now again open mapping from this one. So this STA mapping also we have to do, but staging to staging it is already working. There is no issues. Still we have to do as it is a common practice. I'm just clicking on OK and selecting this details. Go to edit mode and transformations, add ZMDG package, click on OK. Now field mapping, go to this. Now here in target system again search for the particular field which we have added. So go down, this is the field name. Now here go in between. So here we can see we have to check the name of that field and click on map button. So it has been added field mapping. Now click on save button. Again we have to paste that request. So click on this as this is not getting pasted and so it is not showing here for some reason. I am just copying this again and pasting same thing there. So it has been saved successfully. Now I am just closing this and checking with a new CR. So NWBC, more information, go on to web page. Here S for MDG4, NWBC. Now I am going to customer governance, change request, customer maintenance. Now such screen will get opened. So click on new organization, click create customer planet, click on OK. So I am just entering basic data here. Test custom field, grouping as internal number 3000, this one, and this one as Bata Co, and country as US, postal code as 1001, city as New York, and region as NY, language as EN. mm, this is enough. I'm going to customer, new customer, just going to routing strategy, test routing strategy, strategy. So, and this is fine. Click on done. I'm just submitting this here. So after submission, let's refresh this. After, so I'm just clicking on approve at this level approver. At the same time, before it gets final check approved, I'm just going and checking routing strategy. We are fine. So this got final check approved now. Let's check. Let's check the number of this ERP customer. So 4 twos, 5 zeros and 1. So I am entering same thing in the table as well. SC16, KNA1 and 1. So I am entering this, double click. Let's check the data here. So we can clearly see our custom field is reflecting data in the active area. So this looks fine. Let's check in here also. So here also it looks fine. So data model extension is successfully completed. Thank you for watching.